When the egg is fertilized after ejaculation. The female reproductive system is one of the most vital parts of the human reproductive process, and although men are needed to reproduce, it is only women who embrace the developing fetus, and the female breed with a large number of potential oocytes, female sex cells, also called egg cells. However, after the onset of puberty, these cells begin to mature enough to maintain their fertility capacity, and only one is released each month. The mechanism of fertilization of the egg begins with the union of the sperm nucleus of the father with the nucleus of the egg from the mother to form the primary nucleus of the embryo, and in all organisms the essence of fertilization or fertilization of the egg is the fusion of the genetic material of two different sexual cells, each carrying half the number of chromosomes, and the first important event in fertilization is the fusion of membranes, leading to the formation of a channel that allows the passage of material from one cell to another, usually followed by fusion, in the sperm developed and penetrating into the ovulation, fertilization, which is, fertilized egg, able to undergo cellular division. New Shaquille. Pregnancy method or mechanism of pregnancy is the sperm by fertilization of the egg after release from the ovary during ovulation, and then pass the fertilized egg to the uterus, where the transplant occurs, on average, continue full pregnancy for 40 weeks. Pregnancy is usually divided into 3 chapters, as follows. 1. The fertilized egg passes down the fallopian tube and attaches to or implants in the uterus, where it begins to form the fetus and placenta. During this stage of pregnancy, and the possibility of miscarriage, natural death of the fetus, be at its highest. Chapter 2, starting from the 13th week until the 28th week, which is almost in the middle of the second trimester of pregnancy, the fetal movement can be felt during this period. Chapter 3, in the 27th week, the baby becomes viable, which means that he will have a good chance of survival outside the uterus. During the 3rd season, the pregnant woman will notice an increase in weight and you may feel more tired. In the pelvic area, minor pain, excessive blood, and water retention may inflate the feet. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and subscribe the channel.